Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today, we've got two things that you're taking care of. One is that IXL. All right. So, remember, everything that we do is accessed through Teams. So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to bring up Teams, get to Teams that are here. You can go ahead and click on your class period. And then, yeah, if we're doing IXL, there you are. You can click on it here. There's your website, and we are ready to type in that username and password, just like we did in class yesterday. So do keep that in mind. If you need to open up something to remind yourself of it, go ahead and do that. That is in your folder. It's kind of like that pinkish color paper. I think it was pinkish. So whatever. Anyway, that's what you want to make sure you're doing there. Remember, your goal is to get to a SMART score of 7D. All right. And then as your reminder here, your SMART score is what's right down here. So greatest common factor of 2 and 8, that's 2. All right. I got it. Now remember, because it's the biggest number that can be pulled out of both of them. The biggest number that can be pulled out of 8 and 16. Well, that's 8. All right. So again, SMART score down here, you can see I'm at a 19. Let's say I make a mistake and I say 0 and I submit. I am going to get the sorry, and then we are going to kind of get an explanation behind it there of why it is 1, because there are no common factors, but we can always divide by 1. So IXL SMART score 70, that's your goal. The other thing that we're having you do today is take care of your notes. So we did walk through that briefly yesterday. Certainly want to give you more regarding that and get yourself comfortable with it. So first of all, you might need to pause the video here. You need your note packet from yesterday. That is your white packet. You know it's your note packet because it says notes. So once you do that, pause if you need to get that out. All right. If not, you're ready to go. Let's keep going here. We're going to click on math videos down here. We're going to open up the math videos and we are going to sort. So teacher-wise, get on over there. Change it to myself, Mr. Susevich. All right. You guys are in the 6th grade accelerated class, and we are in the review units. We just got a few videos that are there. You are doing the review unit, lesson 1, order of operations. Now, oh my goodness, couldn't load the plugin. All right, so if we do get this, this is typically because we're within Teams. Sometimes we have problems loading within Teams. So that's why a lot of times when you do websites, you might actually want to get out into the web, land of the internet. That might make it easier. The other thing is you can just come on down here to go down to where it says original page and click on the original page and whoa, there's our video that we've got. Remember, notes-wise, you're going to do everything that I do. All right, you don't have to do more, all right, but you need to do what I have written down. So when I underline things, you underline things. If I skip problems, you skip problems. And this is what you can kind of see here as I start doing some kind of fast forward in here. As you can see, yeah, so whatever I have, you got, all right. And if you notice here, we'll actually skip the problems forward. Again, whatever the video does, that's what you should be doing. So have at it. We'll be able to talk about it more tomorrow, but that is your goal for today. If you are having technology issues, we do have those office hours you can make use out of. But hey, people, enjoy.